we're going to move into the construction of our volcano. This volcano will be a good symbol of what actually happens with the volcano on Earth that erupts. There are two sets of materials that we will need for the volcano project. First, we will create the volcano frame, and once that is complete, we will create the lava. To create the frame, we will need one sheet of poster board, one solid piece of sturdy cardboard, a pair of scissors, one bottle, almost any size is okay, from 20-ounce soda bottle to a Snapple bottle, paints and other things to decorate the volcano in any way you like, some cellophane tape, and a few sheets of newspaper. Volcanoes exist on land and under the oceans. For the second set of ingredients to make the lava, you will need water, 4 or 5 drops of dish soap, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, vinegar, and red food coloring is optional to create more lifelike lava. Vesuvius erupted after being dormant for almost 2,000 years and buried the Roman city of Pompeii. Let's get started. To make the volcano, you're going to want to take your bottle and place it upside down on the poster board and draw a circle around the mouth. Now, cut the poster board from one side and cut out the circle. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. It is called Olympus Mons. Now, grab both ends of the slit and fold one end right over the other to form a cone. Put some tape on it so it stays a cone shape. This will be the cone of your volcano. Trim the cone with scissors to form a nice cone shape. The word volcano comes from the Roman god Vulcan, who was thought to live under an island named Volcano off the coast of Sicily. When you cut your cone, make sure it's the right size for your bottle. Now, trim the top of the cone so it fits nice and snug over the bottle. In 1815, about 10,000 people were killed by the eruption of Tambora in Indonesia. It was the most deadly volcano eruption in the past 200 years. Famine and disease that soon followed killed approximately 80,000 more people. Indonesia is the country with the most active volcanoes. There are over 75 active volcanoes in Indonesia. At this point, you can take your volcano apart and lay it flat to decorate it, or, as we are doing, you can just paint it in the cone shape. Once the volcano is painted, we crumple up newspaper, as you see we've already done. We turn the volcano over and put the bottle in the volcano, and we fill around it with the crumpled newspaper. This will give the volcano stability when we make the eruption. Most volcanoes are concentrated around the Ring of Fire, which encircles the Pacific Ocean. We remove the bottle from the volcano so that we can put most of the lava ingredients in it. Fill the bottle almost full of water. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the water. Put 4 or 5 drops of detergent right into the water. And if you wish, you can add red food coloring, like we will, to make the lava more lifelike. Most volcanoes don't have dramatic lava flows as most people think. It doesn't take a river of lava to equal a spectacular volcano eruption. Replace the bottle carefully in the newspaper and place the neck under the opening of the volcano. and then tape it, as you see we've done here. Now we're ready for the fun stuff, the eruption. Add vinegar slowly to the mixture in the bottle and watch the lava form. Thanks for watching our explosion of a volcano, and have a great day.